Word provides several built-in tools that can affect how what you type is formatted. One of those tools can even change your text automatically into headings. In this quick tip, I show you how to stop this behavior. Perhaps this has happened to you. You begin typing in your document, entering only a short bit of text with no punctuation at the end. When you press Enter a couple of times to move to a new line, the style changes to Heading 1 with, of course, different font and color. Believe it or not, this is a built-in feature of Word. In its never-ending quest to simultaneously be as helpful and confusing as possible, Word tries to anticipate how you want your text formatted.
I'm just so confused.
If you type in a paragraph that contains a small number of words, typically 5 words or less, and you don't put a punctuation mark at the end of those words, then the program, as soon as you press Enter twice, assumes you are entering a new heading and applies a heading style to what you entered. Fortunately, you can disable this feature. All you need to do is display the Word Options dialog box. We click on File, and then Options, and then click on Proofing at the left side, and now click on Autocorrect Options. The tab that you want in here is the Auto Format as you Type tab. It is this setting right here, Built-in Heading Styles, that controls this behavior in Word. If you don't like this behavior, well, then all you have to do is clear that checkbox, click on OK, click on OK again, and now Word won't do it. We can type text another time, and watch when I press Enter twice, it doesn't change it to a heading. In other words, you can now type as you want, and Word won't convert your text into headings automatically. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.